Magandang araw po, teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal, ang kasama nyo sa inyong online distance learning journey na magbibigay kaalaman sa mga online learning tools. Kaya mag-subscribe at i-hit lang ang bell ng ating YouTube channel para ma-update tayo sa mga bagong mga learning videos.
DepEd eyes connectivity allowance for teachers, SHS students by 2021. The Department of Education, DepEd, is advocating for the release of the connectivity allowance for public school teachers and senior high school learners to further support the country's shift to distance learning, effective next year. Education Secretary Leonor Magdalena-Briones has requested the Department of Budget and Management, DBM, to issue PHP 4 billion for the implementation of digital education, information technology, and digital infrastructure and alternative learning modalities as stipulated in the Republic Act No. 11,494, or also known as the Bayanihan to Recover as One Act. The requested amount shall cover the provision of connectivity load for the 3.2 million SHS learners and around 900,000 teachers nationwide. We recognize the importance of load allowance for our learners and teachers to deliver quality education despite these challenging times due to the COVID-19 pandemic. With support from our Congress and the DBM, we shall continue to push for more financial assistance to our stakeholders, Secretary Briones said. Once granted, teachers will receive PHP 450 load allowance while SHS students shall have PHP 250 per month for 3 months, which amounts to a total of PHP 3.6 billion. Pagme connectivity load na, pwede na kayong mag-download ng educational videos or mas makus pang inyong mga estudyante. Undersecretary for Administration Alan Del Pasqua said during a consultative meeting with school heads at Triangulo Elementary School in Naga City on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the remaining PHP 400 million will be allocated to expand production of learning materials in the DepEd Commons, DepEd TV and radio, PHP 200 million, augment funds for printing and delivery of self-learning modules, SLMs, PHP 150 million, and establish 2,000 radio transmitters in the last mile schools, PHP 50 million, free access DepEd learning platforms. Undersecretary Pasqua also appealed to school officials to remind parents and learners regarding the free of charge or even without load balance downloading of educational videos and SLMs from the DepEd Commons. Learners can also watch DepEd TV live streaming for free at https://www.facebook.com/DepEdofficial/ he shared. According to USAC Pasqua, the DepEd is exploring more ways to support distance learning by engaging telecommunication companies in the country.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video, please like and share. And comment kung may mga questions po tayo. Muli, maraming salamat po. For more learning videos and tutorials, CPD seminars and webinars, DepEd news and updates, and new trends in education, subscribe and hit the notification bell of our YouTube channel. For more learning resources, join my Facebook group. Stay safe po and God bless. Happy learning, pals!